Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I'm all suited up today to show you this awesome Tommy Hilfiger jacket in the color tan. Now it's not a solid tan as you can see in this video. It kind of has a pattern which I really think it's cool. This is the 2-button jacket. I think it looks really good. I personally like a 2-button. And guys, I love it. I think this jacket goes well with anything. It goes well with black pants, with blue pants, with gray pants. I think it looks very, very cool. It looks great with other shirt collars, with other ties, which I think it goes well with anything. And you can tell right away that the fabric is very good quality. It feels very soft, which I really like. So if you're searching for a tan jacket that goes well with everything, I really recommend this one, guys, and that is my point of view.